Dear students, in previous class, we have started a new chapter that is polynomials and factorization, and we have completed exercise 2.1. So today I am going to start exercise 2.2. Before starting exercise 2.2, I just want to give some points to remember. We'll discuss little bit of that. A zero of a polynomial p of x is the value of x. Zero of polynomial p of x is the value of x for which p of x is equals to 0. Zero of polynomial, that means p of x should be 0. We have to find the value of x. The value is also called a root of the polynomial, and in quadratic polynomial it has 2 zeros, in cubic it has 3 zeros. This you will be learning in 10th standard. So let's start with exercise 2.2. First question, and I'll just read the question. Find the value of polynomial in x, that is 4x square minus 5x plus 3, 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equals to 0. That means in the place of x I am going to substitute 0. That means in the place of x I am going to substitute 0. That is 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. So anything multiplied out by 0 is 0, minus 0 plus 3. Answer is 3. See, this is very important 1 mark, 2 marks question. This is even there in 10th class. So listen to this very carefully. Second one, when x is equals to minus 1. When x is equals to minus 1. Now in the place of x, I am going to substitute minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. 4 into, see, minus into minus 1 whole square means what? Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1. So this becomes minus into minus is plus 1. So 4 into 1. Again minus into minus is plus. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. Add it up. 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 is 12. Next bit. Same thing, continuation. When x is 2. P of, this is third bit, this is the third one. P of x is given as 4x square minus 5x plus 3. When x is 2, so in the place of x we are going to substitute the value as 2. So that is 4 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. That is 4 into 2 to the 4 minus 5 to the 10 plus 3. 4 4 the 16, 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16 minus 10 plus 3. 16 minus 10 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. See, these are very simple problems and very important even. Now the value of x is, here the value of x is 1 by 2. It is in fraction. Listen carefully. So P of 1 by 2. Wherever there is x, I am going to substitute 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 4 into 1 by 2, that is 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 5 1s are 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 4 get cancelled. 4 4 get cancelled. What is left? 1. See, 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3, that is 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 minus 5 by 2. I am just arranging it up so that 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 5 by 2. This is the simplification which you have learned in 5th class. Put 1 in the denominator. The LCM is 2. You are going to multiply 1 with what to get 2? Same 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 5. 8. Here already 2 is there and our LCM is also 2. So no need, we are going to multiply 2 with 1. So 4 2s are 8 and minus 5 1s are 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3 by 2. Here we have completed the first bit. Now let's move to the second one. See the second question, I am reading the question. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 in each of the following polynomials. P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. See, in P of x we are going to find all these three. In P of y, next bit is then P of y, we are going to find all these three. P of z, we are going to find all these three. P of t, we are going to find all these three. Is it clear? So here the P of x is P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So P of 0, wherever there is x, put 0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Wherever there is x, we are just substituting the value of 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 1, answer is 1. Next, P of 1. P of 1. So wherever there is x, I am going to substitute 1. So 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 ones are 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, answer is 1. P of 2 now. P of 2. P of 2, that means wherever there is x, I am going to substitute 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. Therefore, P of 0 is 1. P of 0 is 1. P of 1 is 1. And P of 2 is 3. Is it clear? Sorry. So therefore, P of 0 is 1. P of 1 is minus. P of 1 is 1. P of 2 is 3. In this we have completed. In same P of x we did. Now P of y we are going to find all these three now. Same continuation of second question. So P of y. So here we are going to find P of 0. See in the question. Look into your textbook. P of 0. So wherever there is y we are going to substitute now 0. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 to the power of 3. So 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus minus 0. Answer is 2. In each of the case we have to find P of 0, we have to find P of 1. So wherever there is y, now x variable is not there, y variable is there. So wherever there is y, you are going to substitute 1. 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are is 2 minus 1 into 1, that is 1. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 1, answer is 4. P of 0 we did. In the following cases, P of 1 we did. And now P of 2. So P of 2 is what? Again wherever there is y, I am going to substitute 2 now. So 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 to the power of 3. 2 plus 2 plus, listen here, 2 2s are 4 here, 2 square is there, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 to the power of minus 3. 2 to the power of not minus 3, 2 to the power of 3, it is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 cancel and the answer is 4. Therefore, P of 0 is 2, P of 1 is 4 and P of 2 is 4. Next, same continuation, P of Z I'll be doing and P of T. Next problem you are going to do it as an homework. Anyway, everything is there in the PDF. Just one problem I am giving you as an homework. Next, same bit continuation. Your variable is Z. So we have to find P of 0. So that is 0 to the power of 3. 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. We have to find P of 1. That is 1 to the power of 3. That is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. P of 2. That is 2 to the power of 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Therefore, P of 0 is 0. P of 1 is 1. And P of 2 is 8. So fourth one I am doing, fifth one is homework. Only one problem is for homework. Do that. Next one, fourth one. P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. What do you notice? A minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. What? It is in the form identity, that is a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Now find P of 0. So 0 square minus 1, that is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now P of 1, wherever there is t, I am going to substitute here 1. This is in variable t. First we did in variable x, variable y, variable z, and now variable t. So 1 square minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. P of 2, that is wherever there is t, I am going to put now 2. So 2 square minus 1, that 2 square minus 1, 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, P of 0 is minus 1, P of 1 is 0, P of 0 is minus 1, P of 1 is 0, and P of 2 is, and P of 2 is 3. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye. One problem is left, that one in same bit, only a small section is left. Do it as an homework. Thank you.